channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your first person game in Godot. So to get started, you'll need Godot installed on your computer, and you'll need to go to Godot and click on create. After that, here you can name your project. I'm gonna name it first person. Okay. After that, I'm gonna choose forward plus, and I'm gonna select create folder, and I'm gonna create my project. So here we are in Godot editor. So once you're here, you want to have a asset, which I will put a link in description so you can find it. So here is the assets. It is a texture for your ground. For our ground, we need a ground. So we'll need to drag it into our Godot project, and there you go. We have it right there. Okay. And the next thing, we will need to create a scene. I'm gonna make a new folder named scenes. Okay, name scenes. And okay, and I'm gonna save the scene by clicking the keyboard Control S, and I'm gonna go to scenes and save it in scenes folder. And I'm gonna make it as main scene, right? Okay, main scene. Yeah, I think it's like that, right? Yep, main scene. I'm gonna save it, and next we wanna make the player. So I'm gonna click on 3D scene, save it as player. Okay. Once you save that, you're gonna add some nodes into your scene. So here, click on this plus icon, or right click on node 3D and add child node. And here you wanna add a character body 3D. After that, you wanna add a child node to character body 3D named, it's mesh instant 3D, and another child node which is collision shape 3D. Once you've done that, you wanna go to mesh instant 3D and select this a capital shape, so it's like a player. Also a collision shape. Okay, okay, there we go. And here we have a script which is player.gd. So it's a GD script. You wanna drag it to character body 3D. Don't worry, you can find it in description. I will paste the script there. So it's the script. And the next thing we want to set an input map. So input map is when you press a key, it signals to your game like that, and we wanna make some input map named move forward, move backward, move left, move right, and jump. So we're gonna go to project settings, input map. Here we want to add a new action, top to add new action, which is move forward, right? And the next one is move back forward. Okay. Next one is move left, and the next one is move right, and also jump. Okay. And sorry, for move forward, you want to add W, so we can go forward. Backward is S, and A is left, I believe, yeah. The right is D, and jump is a space, like so. And there you go. We have our player ready, and we're gonna make another scene named floor. 3D scene, name it to floor. Save it by Control S. And here, right click on Node 3D, add a static body 3D. And we wanna add a mesh instance and a collision shape. Okay. And here, go to spectrum mode and go to shape. I'm gonna make this a box shape. Also, the mesh instance. And next one is go to static body 3D, go to scale mode, and I'm gonna make it or adjust the size like this. So I'm gonna like make it like this much. Yeah, so it's like a platform. Okay, once our floor is ready, I'm gonna import the JPG file, the texture, into the mesh instance 3D. So here you wanna go to mesh and go to material, and here drag the JPG file into material like so, and go to material. You can see the texture is like big, you know, and you wanna go to UV to fix that, triplanar, and turn on world triplanar. And you're gonna save it by Control S, save our scene. You can close this scene and go to scenes folder and drag the player into Node 3D and also the floor. Okay, so this is the scene where we handle all our scene. So we're gonna go to player, which is Node 3D, and we're gonna name it to player, and Node 3D 2, which is I believe floor, right? Yeah, floor. Okay, and here we're gonna drag the player up so it's on the floor, the edge, like so. And the next thing is we wanna create a node which is world environment. So it's a node that gives our scene shader. So currently, if we add this, you can see that we haven't set our shader. So we're gonna set it by going to environment, new environment. The background will do sky, and the sky will be sky. The sky will be sky material. Will be produce here sky material. And we wanna go to world environment. Click these three dots here, and click on add sound to scene. And now our game should be ready. We can run this by clicking on this play button, which is run project. You can also do F5, so I'm gonna like do F5, and I'm gonna click on select current, and oh, okay. Here we have a problem. Let me quickly just update the code. I'll be back. Okay guys, I just figured out the problem. I'm really sorry. I think you guys noticed that I didn't add a camera 3D. Sorry for that, I'm really sorry. It happens in game developing, yes, it usually happens. So you wanna go to character body 3D and add a child node named camera 3D. I think I figured it out. Yeah, and here you wanna adjust the camera like first person, and now our game should be done. Yeah, okay, there you go. You can move around like this. Actually see the world, and you can jump, of course. You can move around, and yeah, the body already, you can see our body. So I'm gonna like quickly change that, like you know what, we'll not make a body, you know, like this. Yeah, we will only have the collision shape. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can, if you run it, yeah, there you go, you can still do it. Okay guys, there you go, you have your first person game in Godot. Thank you for watching guys, please leave a like and subscribe, this is my first video. I want to improve this channel, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me a lot to upload more videos. So yeah, bye for now I guess.